Hello students, this is 8th Education, Class 10 CBSE Chapter 3 Pair of Linear Equation in two variable. Exercise 3.1 third sum on comparing the ratios of A1 by A2, B1 by B2, C1 by C2. Find out whether the following pair of linear equation are consistent or inconsistent. Like the previous sum, we need to solve it. So before that, we need to understand the concept that the linear equation will be of in the form of ax plus by plus c equal to 0. Here we have two equations, so it will be like this, equal to 0. Therefore, we have three conditions as discussed in previous question. A1 by A2 which is not equal to B1 by B2 means intersect and unique solution. Kindly note it down, it is very important. If it is means then it is consistent. Okay, next. A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2 is equal to C1 by C2, which means coincident and have infinite many solution. IMS means infinite many solution. It is also means consistent. The last condition is for no solution and parallel. A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2 but not equal to C1 by C2, which means that they are parallel and have no solution. Therefore, this is the only one condition which is inconsistent. Okay. Now you can understand the problem very easily. We need to check whether the problem falls under these three conditions. Now, third sum, first subdivision. 3x plus 2y equal to 5. Okay. 2x minus 3y equal to 7. First rearrange it. 3x plus 2y minus 5 equal to 0. 2x minus 3y minus 7 equal to 0. Therefore, then write a1 equal to 3, a2 equal to 2, b1 equal to 2, b2 is equal to minus 3, c1 is equal to minus 5, c2 is equal to minus 7. Then next, to find the following a1 by a2, b1 by b2, c1 by c2. Okay, 3 by 2, 2 by minus 3, minus 5, minus 7, minus cancel. From this 2 itself, a1 by a2 not equal to b1 by b2. Therefore, it shows what condition pa? Therefore, it have unique solution. Therefore, our system is consistent. Okay, first subdivision over. Then we continue with our second subdivision. Here the second subdivision states that second subdivision 2x minus 3y equal to 8. So directly we rearrange it. 2x minus 3y minus 8 equal to 0. Next, 4x minus 6y equal to 9. 4x minus 6y minus 9 equal to 0. A1, A2, B1, B2, C1, C2. 2, 4, minus 3, minus 6, minus 8, minus 9. Okay. A1 by A2 is equal to 2 by 4, which is 1 by 2. 1 by 2. b1 by b2 which is minus 3 by minus 6. Here also we get 1 by 2. c1 by c2 we get minus 8 minus 9 minus minus cancel. c1 by c2 is equal to 8 by 9. From this we get a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 but not equal to c1 by c2. Okay, therefore it have no solution. Therefore our system is inconsistent. Okay, then third subdivision it is in fraction. So by seeing the fraction it is not very difficult, very easy question. 5 by 3a y equal to 7. Next 9y minus 10 9x minus 10y equal to 14. Okay, the LCM is 6, so I will multiply the first equation by 6. Therefore into 6 into 6 into 6. Okay, therefore we get 9x minus 10y equal to 42. By rearranging that, minus 10y minus 42 equal to 0. Second equation becomes 9x minus 10y minus 14 equal to 0. Therefore from 1 a1 a2 9 9 b1 minus 10 b2 minus 10 then c1 c2. Here for this it is plus, so plus 10, then 42 here minus 42 minus 14. Okay, therefore a1 by a2 is equal to 9 by 9, b1 by b2 is equal to which is 10 by minus 10, c1 by c2 is equal to minus 42 by minus 14. Ones are minus minus cancel, ones are threes are. Therefore a1 by a2 is equal to 1 by 1, b1 by b2 is equal to 1 by minus 1, c1 by c2 is equal to 3 by 1. Therefore here we get a1 by a2 which is not equal to b1 by b2. Therefore we have what pa? Minus 1. Therefore it is not equal. Therefore it have unique solution. What solution pa? Unique solution. Therefore it is consistent. Okay, our system is consistent. Rightfully our system is consistent. Okay, next fourth subdivision. Fourth subdivision we rewrite 5x minus 3y minus 11 equal to 0, minus 10x plus 6y plus 22 equal to 0. a1 a2 b1 b2 c1 c2. 5 minus 10 minus 3 6 plus 11 22. Okay, a1 by a2 which is 5 by minus 10, b1 by b2 which is minus 3 by 6, C1 by C2, which is minus 11 by 22. Ones are 2s are, ones are 2s are, ones are 2s are. Therefore, A1 by A2 is equal to minus 1 by 2, B1 by B2 which is equal to minus 1 by 2, C1 by C2 is equal to minus 1 by 2. Okay, here we get all the three fraction ratios A1 by A2 which is equal to B1 by B2 which is equal to C1 by C2. Therefore, it have what solution pa? Infinite many solution. It falls under second. Therefore, infinite many solution. Our system is consistent. Okay. The last subdivision of the third question, which is fifth subdivision. Here we get 3 as a denominator. So we will multiply by 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. Therefore, 4x plus 6y is equal to 24. Next, 2x plus 3y minus 12 equal to 0. Therefore, this equation becomes, this is equation number 2. The first equation can be written as 4x plus 6y minus 24 equal to 0. Okay. Then A1 by, A1 A2, B1 B2, C1 C2. Okay. A1 4 6 minus 24. B1 2 3 minus 12. Okay. A1 by A2 is equal to 4 by 2. B1 by B2 6 by 3. C1 by C2 minus 24 by minus 12. Ones are, twos are, ones are, twos are, minus minus cancel, ones are, twos are. A1 by A2 equal to 2, B1 by B2 equal to 2, C1 by C2 equal to 2. You can also write 2 by 1, 2 by 1, 2 by 1. A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2 is equal to C1 by C2. Therefore, it have infinite many solution. Therefore, our system is consistent. The system will be inconsistent if and only if we get no solution. Okay, thank you.